by lonely prison walls, I heard a young girl calling, Michael, they have taken you away, for you stole Trevelyan's corn, so the young could see the morn. The prison ship lies waiting in the bay. Low lie fields of Athenry, where once we saw the young free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. Now it's lonely round the fields of Athenry, by lonely prison wall, I heard a young man calling, nothing matters, Mary, when you're free. Against the famine and the crown I rebelled, they cut me down. Now you must raise our child with dignity. Low lie fields of Athenry, where once we saw the young free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. Now it's lonely round the fields of Athenry, by lonely harbour wall, she watched the last star falling, as the prison ship sailed out against the sky. For she live and hope and pray for her love on Botany Bay. Now it's lonely round the fields of Athenry. Low lie the fields of Athenry, where once we saw the young free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. Now it's lonely round the fields of Athenry. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry.